Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by creating the ring structure that defines chrome. First, insert 3 perfect circles. Hold Shift while drawing to lock proportions and size them roughly 200, 140, and 60 px so the ring thickness looks balanced. Once done, layer them concentrically. Send the smallest to front, the middle in between, and the largest at back. Make sure to use align center and align middle to lock their centers. This guarantees symmetry and makes subsequent coloring much easier. Now you'll create the 3 colored segments that sit on the outer ring. Insert 3 pie shapes and set each sweep to 120 degrees so they become identical wedges. This ensures the classic tricolor split. Fill them with red, yellow, and green respectively, and remove or thin the outline so the design reads cleanly. Once placed, arrange each wedge around the outer circle using rotate and nudges so they meet without gaps. Grouping these wedges with the outer ring helps keep alignment. Finish by adding the central blue circle and refining edges. Draw a blue circle sized to the inner hole and apply a slight radial gradient to simulate the original button's depth. Once colors and positions look right, select everything and group so the logo moves as one piece. If you prefer cleaner intersections, use Merge Shapes fragment to cut overlaps and then recolor fragments. If something misaligns, undo, enable grid or guides, and rotate wedges by exact degrees to correct placement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.